Hello guys, in this video, I will show you a simple way to get free diamonds in the Chamet app. First, install the Chamet app and open it. After it loads, go to your profile and tap on My Tasks. In here, you will see different tasks you can complete. When you finish these tasks, you will receive reward like video call cards, discounts and other bonuses. If you want to get diamonds, there is also an option to watch ads. Just tap on video and then tap confirm. An advertisement will start playing, and once it finishes, you will receive free diamonds. You can repeat this process to earn more diamonds over time. Now, if I go back to my profile, you can see that I have 120 diamonds. You can try this method yourself and start collecting diamonds. I hope this video helped you, so don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.